Grid Pages allows you to manage BannerFile pages content such as sign-up pages and confirmation pages. To manage Grid Pages, hover over BannerFile in the top navigation. Click on Pages. Click on the plus sign next to this section where your page is located. Click on Manage Page to edit. Click on Edit Page. The link web location is the location of the page and cannot be changed. The grid template is the template the page uses. You can change to another template by choosing another template from the drop-down. To learn more about creating grid templates, visit the grid template section. The page title is the title of the page that appears at the top of the browser. You can modify this as needed by typing the text in the box. The page description is the description used for the search engines. You can modify this as needed by typing the text in the box or checking the box that says Use Site Defaults. The page keywords are the keywords used for the search engines. You can modify this as needed by typing keywords separated by a comma in the box or checking the box that says Use Site Defaults. The miscellaneous head content is an advanced field which allows you to add JavaScript and meta tags to the page. The sitemap and search inclusion allows you to specify if this page should be included in the physical sitemap, XML sitemap, and search results. To change, choose another option from the drop-down. The XML sitemap priority allows you to specify the priority of this page on the website so the search engines know which are most important. In the content box, you can add text to this page by typing it in the white box. If you see a marker on this page, this is pulling in content from the grip, so you will want to leave this intact and type your content above or below the marker. Insert Dynamic Content allows you to add media or markers from other grips. To choose an option, select an option from the drop-down. To insert media, click on Media and search for the media in your media section. Click Submit and click Use to insert the image. When finished, click on Save Changes. To return to the BannerFile dashboard, click on BannerFile Home. The New Category Page template. Specify when creating a new category is the page which allows you to edit the default template to use with new pages when creating a new page from the Category Manager. Secure Download. Form and error messages for secure download. Enter Your Secure Key is the page for when providing a secure file which needs to be unlocked. File Not Available is the page for when a secure download is not available to them and gives an error page. You Enter the Wrong Key is the page for when someone enters the wrong access key to download a file. File Not Found is the page for when someone accesses a file which was not found in the system and gives them an error. Member File List is the listing of member files. My Files is the page for when a user views their accessible files. Delete File is the page for confirming the deletion of a file from member files. Delete Success is the page for the confirmation message after a file was successfully deleted from member files. Not Found is the page for files not found when downloaded from the member files. No File is the page for when there are no files in a member list. Member Box is the page that shows the member box. The Member Box page is the page for what users see when they access their member box. Access Key is the page when managing access keys. Access Key page is the page for the access key where a user changes their own access key. Update Access Key is the page which displays the confirmation when an access key was updated successfully. New access key is the page for when a new access key is created and is saved successfully. Download log is the listing download logs. Download log page is the page for users to view their download log of all downloaded files. Public files is the listing of public files. The public file page is the page of all public files which are viewable to the public. Send box link is the send file box link page. Send box link page is the page for users to send a link to their file box. Send box link success is the page which displays the confirmation message after a user has successfully sent a link to their file box. Upload single file is the page for single page uploads. Upload single file is the page for uploading a single file. Upload file success is the page for the confirmation message that is displayed after files have been uploaded successfully. Upload files manages the upload multiple files page. Upload files page is the page for uploading multiple files. To return to the BannerFile dashboard, click on BannerFile Home.